Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is index number. Let's define first index number. I have written a definition here in order to elaborate it. An index number is a statistical measure. So it is a statistical measure designed to show changes in the variables or group of related variables with respect to time, geographic location or other characteristics. So it is a statistical measure. It is designed to show the changes. ये मतलब किस लिए डिजाइन किया गया है? टू शो द चेंजेस इन वेरिएबल. वो वेरिएबल में कितने चेंजेस हुए हैं और ग्रुप ऑफ वेरिएबल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल गिव एन एग्जांपल हियर. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी आर स्टडी टू शो द चेंजेस इन द प्राइस लेवल, हाउ मच प्राइस लेवल चेंजेस, what we do in the index number. For example, let's take the example, how much price changes in 2000 for suppose 19. How much price changes in 2019? So 2019 is taken as the current year, but we have to relate it. And when we say how much price changes in 2019, we have to compare it with any other, for example, this time. That is, let's take the example in 2018. And how much price was 2018 and how much is now in 2018? How much the level of price changes? So index number is a device which helps us to explain this concept. How much price changes and whether there is inflation or there is deflation. For example, in 2018, this is taken as the base year. So base year is a year which is simply which we compare, which is related to the current year. For suppose in base year, for example, if for suppose base year is taken as 100, that means this is the change. It is taken as full percentage, that is 100. Now, for example, if the price in the current year changes from 100 to, for suppose 140, simply we can say the price of the commodities, different commodities are changed from 100 to 140. That means there is inflation of 40%. That means the price has changed. The inflation is 40%. Inflation is there. The price has risen up to 40% of different goods. Now, how we calculate the different groups here? So we measure the value of the goods in a group. That means index number is a device which simply make us different variables, which keep us different variables in a group. For example, if we take the example, milk is taken. It is measured. Milk, it is measured in liter, and the cloth is measured in this meter. Oil is for suppose measured in oil, for suppose something which has weight. For example, if we take the example of this rice, it is measured as kilogram. So different units have different different units. Different commodities have different units. So it is very difficult to calculate the values of different units directly. What is the index number? Did index number makes them as a group? It represents them as a group. It represents them as a group. How? Because we measure the percentage, we measure the changes in terms of percentage. जब हम परसेंटेज की बात करते हैं, जब हम वैल्यू परसेंटेज में this calculate करते हैं, then these units does not hold any weight. These different units, liter, meter, kilogram, it does not hold any weight. So this simply we can say this index number are used to measure changes in some quantities. It measures the values in some qualities which we cannot observe directly. That means those qualities which cannot be observed directly. This is measured through the index number. Thank you very much.